Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first open Photoshop and click new file. Sizes Full HD, resolution 300 and create. And first one, let's Ctrl R for see this part, and let's hold left mouse and move it down. Again left mouse and go to here. Let's add new line here. In this time let's go to pen tool and let's go to here. Okay, so in this time we can change stroke width here and color we can choose here, and let's hold this line and move it up. Also this moved down and this moved right and this moved left. And for add smoothing, select this shape 1, again go to pen tool and first hold Ctrl, let's select this point and hold Alt, let's make smooth like this, and go to here, hold Alt, let's make smooth, and this make smooth, and hold Alt, make smooth like this. Let's go to pen tool again and let's add one here and here, and let's hold Ctrl, select this point, we can drag here, let's move it down and right. Okay, not bad. Let's click selection tool, and in this time go to again pen tool and let's go to here, one line here and one here. Okay, not bad. And let's hold Ctrl, move to center like this and move it down a little bit. Okay, so click selection tool. In this time select this shape 2, this up line, and go to this icon, erase tool, and let's click left mouse, click OK, and let's erase or remove like this. Click selection tool. So in this time select these shapes 3, 2 and 1, right mouse and convert to smart object. Let's see. Okay, so right now we have one shape layer. Let's change name stroke and select this background. Let's go to click this icon for create a new layer and go to brush tool. Let's go to color. Let's choose here yellow color, click OK, hold Ctrl plus for zoom in here, and let's make color like this. Okay, that's good, and go to color cube and change color like this for dark yellow, click OK. Let's zoom in here and make color like this. Okay, so let's add shadows. Select this layer 1 and go to again brush tool and let's hold Alt. Let's choose this color with eyedropper and go to color cube. Let's change a little bit to right for add shadow like this. Click OK and let's zoom in here and right mouse, change brush size. Okay. And let's add randomly shadow like this. Okay, not bad. And let's move to left like this. Okay, that's good. So in this time, let's go to pen tool and let's add one here and here and here. Okay, hold Ctrl, select this point and move to down. Okay, and let's zoom in here, hold Alt and make smooth, and right side, hold Alt, make smooth line. Okay, not bad. And let's hide layer 1 and stroke. Let's work only this layer. Select this stroke and create new layer, and this is color. And let's enable layer 1, go to brush tool and choose this color, hold Alt, select this color and hide for now. And let's zoom in here and make color. Okay, that's good. And let's add shadows. Let's go to color and choose here dark yellow. Okay, not bad. Let's go to color cube, change. Let's hold Alt, select this color and change to light yellow and add like these lines. Change more like this and select this color and shape 1, right mouse, convert to smart object and change name open. And let's hide for now, enable, let's unhide layer 1 and stroke 1 and select layer 1. Let's go to brush tool and let's add some reflection lines. So in this time, let's enable open and select this layer 1 and stroke, right mouse, convert to smart object and change name mail. Okay, so right now we have two layers, mail and open, and we can animate this open layer in After Effects. And let's select background, unlock, and go to hold this icon, select gradient tool and go to here. Let's open orange. Let's try use this. Okay, that's good. I like it. And change name background. So let's hide open layer. Go to again this pen tool and again let's hold Ctrl R and let's again go to here. Let's hold left mouse. Let's add one line here for prepare sizes. Okay, one here and let's one here. Okay, in this time let's go to pen tool. Okay, let's change stroke width 15 and clisation tool and let's hide layers. Okay, and let's select this open. Let's create new layer and go to brush tool and choose color white, click OK and let's make color. Let's for now hide mail layer and make white color like this. Okay, that's good. And let's enable mail and select layer 1 and shape, right mouse and convert to smart object. And in this time let's create new layer and go to pen tool. Let's add line here and change stroke 20, clisation tool and let's hold Alt and move to down for duplicate and go to pen tool, hold Ctrl, click this point and move to left, clisation tool, again hold Ctrl, move to down, duplicate. Okay, so in this time let's go to After Effects and make animation for these layers. Let's go.